Bleaching products are those products that contains ingredients like hydroquinone, mercury, and steroids that has the tendency to whiten your skin or bleach your skin within a shorter period of time. And these products can also cause you a lot of damage at the long run if you use them for a longer period of time, even though it is possible for a bleaching product to damage your skin even between 1 week or 2 weeks of using them. The irony of the whole thing is it will take you a week to 3 to use a bleaching product, and that product will end up damaging your skin. And once your skin is damaged, it will take you months just to repair your skin and bring your skin back to normal. So that is the price you have to pay for using all those products that will whiten you in 7 days, all those white now, and products that contains all those harmful ingredients in high percentage. If you are suffering from skin damage that was caused by a bleaching cream, this video is for you, because on this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get your skin back to its natural state, how to repair your damaged skin that was caused by a bleaching product. You also want to watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video, I'm going to be showing you a skincare routine that will help you repair your damaged skin that was caused by a bleaching cream. To my returning subscribers, you guys are welcome. And if you're seeing this face for the first time, hi my love, welcome to my channel. Here on this channel, we talk about everything skincare, beauty, products review, and products recommendation. If this sounds like any of the things you're interested in, please you guys kindly hit the subscription button. Guys, subscribe to my channel in order to help me on this YouTube growth journey. Don't forget to like my videos as well and drop me a nice comment. Without taking much of your time, let us dive straight into why we are here. I want you to know that your skin regenerates every 30 days. That means your skin repairs itself every 30 days. Now, I want you to imagine once your skin is damaged, how many cell turnover or skin regeneration of skin repairs, how many months of that turnover your skin will need in order to return back to its natural state. Now, the first thing you want to do if you are suffering from a skin damage that was caused by a bleaching cream is to discard that product. Discard that product that caused that skin damage, be it a body lotion, a bar soap, a face cream, or a face serum. Anything that you've used and that has triggered the damage or has damaged your skin, the first line of action is to throw that product away. The funniest part is those your cosmetic vendors will keep on telling you that the more you should continue using it no matter what, even if you have knuckles or you have green veins, continue using it because with time it will get better. That is a very, very big lie. The thing is, the longer you even use that product, the longer it will take for you to be able to repair your damaged skin. So the best thing you will do for yourself is to drop those products. In fact, throw them away or keep them aside, whatever you want to do with them, but just make sure that you stop using that product. That is the first line of action. Now, the second thing you need to do is to allow your body to heal. Allow your body to heal. During this healing period, what you want to do is to invest more on products that will help to repair your skin, products that will help to nourish your skin, products that will help to hydrate your skin. Because after bleaching your skin barrier has been tampered with, your skin has become very, very thin, and it needs all the nourishment that it needs in order to restore it back to its natural form. So you want to invest more on mild products like the Nivea products, the CeraVe products, and if possible, shea butter, baby oils. You can even go with baby body lotions if possible. I promise you guys that before the end of this video, I'm going to be taking you through a skin repair routine. So this particular routine, I draft it out here with me, and I'm going to be sharing with you guys. I will be giving you guys good examples of product as well that you'll be using in this routine. So this routine, I want you to be consistent with this routine. I want you to be patient with this routine. When you're done with this routine and you're able to restore your skin back to normal, I will also teach you guys in another video how to safely brighten, lighten, or even bleach your skin. That's if you decide to still continue to bleach. There are also safer ways you can go about it in a way that it will not damage your skin. So let's assume your skin is damaged now because you didn't know how to do it the right way. Now, In this particular routine that I arranged for you guys, I came up with this well arranged morning and night routine, both for your face and your body, if you want to restore your damaged skin. Now for your face, when it comes to your face, you want to go with a mild product, a very mild product. And when it comes to cleansing your face, I'll recommend this tea tree facial wash for you guys. This tea tree facial wash is very mild and it contains tea tree as its major ingredient. It is very mild and soothing on your skin. And another cleanser that you can use to be cleansing your face is this Cousins baby bar soap, whichever you prefer to go with, either this pink one or the blue one. But personally, I love to use the blue one. Now this is how you go about it. If you use the tea tree face washing in your morning routine, then you will be using the baby bar soap to wash your face in your night routine. Please use your bare hands to wash your face. Do not use any sponge or any towel on your face in this period. You can also go with this CeraVe hydrating cleanser or this face fact ceramide hydrating cleanser. You can even go with all these simple cleansers that are mild. You don't want to use any products that is going to trigger more skin irritation to your skin. Then when it comes to moisturizers, I will advise you to go with also mild moisturizers for your face. And good examples of moisturizers you can use for your face is this aloe vera gel face moisturizer or the snail gel. You can even get this snail mucin from CosRx as a very good moisturizer. So after cleansing your face, go ahead and use any of this moisturizer. Then you will now get a very good nourishment and pampering face cream. And when it comes to a face cream, I will always recommend this Face Fact Wonder face cream. This face cream contains a lot of ingredients in them that will help to nourish your skin, that will help to restore your skin barrier. There are other face creams you can use as well, like this Simple face cream or CeraVe face cream or even Cetaphil face cream. These products are going to help you to restore your skin barrier and also speed up the healing process. Now, when it comes to your body, this is what you want to do. When it comes to your body, I'll advise you to go with a very mild body wash or shower gel. And when it comes to a shower gel or body wash, I would recommend either this particular Dove body wash or any mild body wash that doesn't contain any active ingredient in it. You can also use this same Cousins bar soap or Dove bar soap. So you will use them interchangeably. You can decide to do bar soap in your night routine and then shower gel in your morning routine. Or you can also do the double cleansing. That's you first of all cleanse with a bar soap and then you will now cleanse again for the second time with your shower gel. So it will help you clean your skin properly. Now, when it comes to body lotions, I will advise you to go with very mild body lotions. And good examples of mild body lotions you can go with is this Nivea Advanced body lotion. This body lotion contains 5 oils that will help to restore your skin barrier, that will also help you repair your damaged skin. There are a lot of other body lotions that can help you restore your damaged skin, like the Vaseline Repair Body Lotion and the Cetaphil Repair Body Lotion. Another good option is this Lubriderm Intense Repair body lotions. These body lotions are going to help you. And there's another good one again, which is very affordable, which is this Jeggings Repair Body Lotion. So these are the body lotions. These are good examples of the body lotions you're going to be using. Get any of these body lotions and start using them patiently and give it time. Your skin will restore back to its natural barrier. Now, when it comes to hydration, you also need a very good oil in order to, lock in moisture and keep your skin hydrated, just in case that body lotion you're using is not hydrating enough. And when it comes to body oils, you can go with any baby body oil, either the one from Pierce or the one from Cousins or even this Johnson's baby oil. They will do the job for you very well. Another good oil that you can use is olive oil. You see this particular one, you can use this particular one I'm holding in my hand, or you can use that one that comes in a bottle. Just get a very good one. You can be using this oil at night in your night routine. Please do not use this olive oil in your morning routine. Use it in your night routine only. And when you're using it, be generous with it, especially in your hands and on your legs, because if you notice, once you have a damaged skin, you will notice this intense dryness in your skin. You will notice that the layer of your skin is no longer as thick as it used to be. It will be very thin and it will be very dry. So you will need all the hydration that you need. You can also use shea butter, the natural raw shea butter, not the processed one, please. You can also include it in your routine. You can apply the shea butter or this baby oil, or even the olive oil that I just showed you guys. You will rub it firstly on your skin. Please do not use it on your face. This is just the body. You rub it in your entire body before you top it up with your body lotion, so that it will help you do the job properly. If you have a oily skin, I will advise you to go with either olive oil or any baby oil. It will be better for you. But if you have a dry skin, then you can go ahead and use shea butter, so that it will not clog your pores. That's for those with oily skin. Do not go with shea butter. If not, it's going to clog your pores, and you might break out maybe in your chest region and probably your hands or your back. Please do not use them on your face, like I said earlier. Lastly, you want to ensure that you're drinking enough water in order to get the hydration that you need from within. Before we wrap up this video, do not exfoliate your skin during this period. Your skin is already thin, like I said earlier. Your skin barrier is already damaged, and I'm sure by this stage you might be having some redness and hyperpigmentation in some area. So if you introduce any harsh physical or chemical exfoliants to your skin, it will cause more damage to your skin. So do not exfoliate during this period. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, you guys. And if you're still yet to subscribe, please kindly hit the subscription button, guys. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. It means a lot to me. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel so that it will help me in this YouTube growth. You subscribing to my channel and liking my videos is going to help me progress. See you guys in our next video. Bye.